Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your phone and environment. This matters because tracking needs stable input. First, confirm the device and app support eye tracking, then enable camera, motion sensors, and any accessibility permissions. Once done, position the phone at eye level roughly 40 to 60 centimeters away and minimize glare or moving backgrounds. You'll also want at least 50% battery and a steady surface. These initial steps ensure the tracking system gets clean data to calibrate reliably. Now you move into calibration and verification, which is the complex core. Open the calibration routine and follow each visual prompt slowly, tap or hold targets as instructed. Keep your face centered, eyes open naturally, and avoid sudden head turns. These actions let the model learn consistent gaze patterns. Watch the app's accuracy meter or quality indicators, and if it's below about 85%, repeat calibration. Once you hit a stable score, run a quick test scenario to confirm gaze aligns with on-screen targets. Finish by integrating the tracker into your workflow and knowing one key troubleshooting path. Use eye gestures, dwell selection, or pointer modes per the app. Adjust sensitivity and calibration offsets in settings to match comfort. Make sure to recalibrate when lighting or phone position changes. If tracking degrades, first check camera and sensor permissions, restart the app, and wipe the lens. If that fails, reduce reflections or retake calibration in consistent lighting. These final actions keep the tracker accurate and usable long-term.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.